made with finger millet and oats, high in fiber and high on nutrition. Today's preparation is a healthy and delicious version of the popular snack dhokla. Welcome to Water Gravy. To prepare the finger millet oats dhokla, to a bowl, add 250 grams of finger millet flour, also called as Ragi, Kervaragu, Nachini or Mandue. Finger millet is an excellent source of calcium and helps in promoting bone health. It is also a good source of iron and helps in improving hemoglobin levels. For this, we will require half the quantity of oats, that is 125 grams. Add to a mixer jar. This is rolled oats, made from oat groats. Rolled oats are lesser processed than quick oats. Oats are a great source of protein. Grind to a medium fine consistency. It should not be powdered too fine. Add to the ragi flour. Oats are prebiotic, help the growth of good bacteria, promoting a healthy gut and reducing the risk of disease and inflammation. They also help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Mix both the flours well. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix again and add 2 teaspoons of any cold pressed oil. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I have taken 1 cup of lukewarm water. Add water little by little. Mix and whisk the batter well. Being high in fiber, both finger millet and oats help in slowing down the digestion process, help relieve constipation, also keeping you feeling full for a longer time, thus aiding in weight loss and in controlling blood sugar levels. I have totally used around 125 ml of water. Water requirement might vary from flour to flour. The mixed batter should be of medium consistency. Close with the lid and set aside for 45 minutes. Both being high in fiber, more soaking time is required. To a mortar, add 3 chopped green chilies. You can add or reduce as per the spice levels that you need. Add half a tablespoon or 1-inch piece of finely chopped ginger. Pound to a medium coarse paste. After 45 minutes, add water to a kadai or any steamer. Place a rack, close the lid and switch on the stove. Add the pound ginger green chili paste to the finger millet oats dhokla mix. Mix and check the consistency. The consistency has become slightly thick, so I am adding 1 teaspoon of water. Mix well. Add 3/4 teaspoon of oil to a tray. Smear the oil on all the sides. The water is boiling now. To the ragi oats batter, add 1 1/4 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. This is unflavored. Add a few drops of water to activate it. Mix well. And pour quickly into the grease tray. And place immediately in the steamer. Close with the lid and steam for 40 minutes. Because of the consistency of the grains, this takes slightly longer to cook. After 45 minutes, open. Pierce with any sharp instrument. If it comes out clean, it is cooked. Otherwise, cook for a few more minutes. Remove and allow it to cool. Once it has cooled down slightly, run a blunt knife along the edges to release it and unmold the dhokla. Turn to the other side and cut into squares. To season the dhokla, heat a ladle, add 3 tablespoons of any cold pressed oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 3 green chilies finely chopped, and a few sprigs of curry leaves. Mix well. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well, and once the water becomes hot, switch off the stove. Top up the dhokla with the seasoning. Cut and remove the individual pieces. You can see how porous the dhokla is, with the syrup having oozed onto the top layers. Arrange and garnish the dhoklas with finely chopped coriander leaves and grated coconut. Both finger millet and oats are gluten-free and anti-aging. Finger millet is also beneficial in cases of anxiety, depression, and insomnia, and oats are a great source of protein. Serve with coriander mint chutney and enjoy the goodness of these superfoods in every bite of your dhokla. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you.